Our weekly planner is set up in a template form, but you can change this as much as you like. We're going to go into some tutorials on how to chop and change and make this into your own week planner. When you're ready, the first thing you'll need to do is edit your master week template in your planner. Once you've done this, then we'll duplicate this for every single week. Our planner is fully editable, so you can click in any cell and you can change the times, you can change the titles, you can increase the size and decrease the size depending on what you want. You can also add additional rows below or above. Changing the colour of your planner is really easy. Simply highlight the rows, choose your new colour, and you're done. One of the keys to editing your week planner is rows. Rows are really important. To copy and paste from one area to the next, you need to make sure you've got the same amount of rows. For example, my maths area has got 17 rows, and so does my reading area. So I can copy and paste directly from my reading area, my maths area, into my reading area, and it matches up fine. If you have a situation like this admin and the handwriting, where the admin only has 3 and the handwriting has 4, you'll notice if I copy and paste, things get a bit out of alignment. All you need to do is increase the amount of rows you've got in the admin area, and then you should be able to copy and paste and it'll all line up nicely. If you need to block out an area of your week, say for assembly, simply highlight the rows you want, use the merge cells, and then you can paste in what you have. You can change the colour, and now you have a blocked out time. Adding drop down menus into our planner is now super easy. Head down to the drop down menus tab, choose the drop down menu you would like, copy it, paste it into the area you like, and then drag it across. And here are your new drop down menus. You can edit your drop down menus. So this is the year 3 sequence statements. I'm going to add in some bits, an extra bit in here. So to do that, I'm going to go down to our 3 lines, look for our year 3 maths. That's going to pop up over here. And in here we can add new content. And as soon as we do that, if we go back to our drop downs, you will see that our new content is in there. Often people ask, how do I add more groups than what's given in the planner? I've got 3 reading groups here, say we've got 4. So what I'm going to do is, firstly I'm going to add some rows, because rows are important. Let's insert 4 above, and then I can just copy and paste all the formatting, and we can change this to whatever group we like. And you might want to change the drop down as well to a year 2 group. And again, highlight the rows, hold down Control on your keyboard and copy them across. Now that you've got your planner as you like it, we're going to duplicate our master week template into weeks. Simply click on your master template, click on duplicate, rename it to your first week, and then carry on renaming them all for the whole term. Don't forget to change the week at the top as well, so that it all matches. Next we're going to learn how to link our home page buttons to our weeks that we've made. So firstly, click on week number 1, go Insert, Link, go all the way down to Sheets and Named Ranges and find week 1. Once you've done that, you'll notice that your link now works. You might want to recolor to match the color of your table. Again, Insert, Link. This time we're going to go to week 2 and update the color to match. There are two ways to add images in Google Sheets. Firstly, we're going to use Insert Image, and we're going to go Insert Image in Cell. This is Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, which is for our teacher chapter book reading this week. And you can see that the image is in there. If I increase the size of the cell, the picture increases. The other option with inserting images is to go Insert Image, Insert Over Cell. Same thing. This time it'll insert the image above, and we can move that anywhere on the page that we like. It's not restricted to just that cell. Adding links to your favourite YouTube clip, document or website is super easy. Again, I'm going to add a row above because I like to have a row separate from my links, and I'm going to go to the link I want. So here we go, we've got Bex Teaching Resources. Pop that in there. You see it'll link straight to that now. If I go to a YouTube clip, copy the URL in, and it will now ask you to replace it, and I like that idea. So now your link comes in like that. And also if you've got a Google Drive worksheet or resource, just simply go up to Share, copy the link and paste it in. And again, it's going to ask you to replace it with the title, and that should be fine. Now your link will work. You may notice that there's only a limited amount of tabs down here. So where is everything else? Have a look in the 3 lines here, and you'll see the full range of pages that are included in this document. For example, if I want to see the Reading Year 3 learning intentions, it'll open up and pop up here. Here they are. You can make changes to that or whatever. If you don't want to see it again, simply hide the sheet.